In this video, I'll guide you through how to file taxes for military retirees on TurboTax. Whether you're a first-time user or someone familiar with TurboTax, this step-by-step guide will ensure you have a smooth experience filing your taxes. Let's get started. First, open up TurboTax and navigate to the Federal Taxes section. This is your starting point for entering all your necessary tax information. Once you're in the Federal Taxes section, you'll notice a tab labeled Wages and Income. Click on that to proceed. This section is crucial as it encompasses all your income sources, which are essential for accurate tax filing. As you scroll through the Wages and Income section, look for the category labeled Retirement Plans and Social Security. This is where you'll be entering your retirement income details. Click on the option that says Start or Update next to IRA, 401, Pension Plan Withdrawals, which is also referred to as your 1099-R. The 1099-R form is a crucial document for retirees as it reports distributions from pensions, annuities, retirement plans, and more. Now, let's dive into entering your 1099-R details. You should have your 1099-R form handy, as this contains all the necessary information you'll need to input. TurboTax will guide you through entering details such as the payer's information, your gross distribution, and any federal tax withheld. Take your time to ensure all the information you enter matches exactly what's on your form. Even small discrepancies can lead to issues later on. As you enter this information, TurboTax might prompt you with questions to clarify certain details. Don't hesitate to read these prompts carefully and answer them to the best of your knowledge. These questions are designed to make sure your tax return is precise and complete. Once you've entered all your 1099-R details, TurboTax will automatically calculate the taxable amount of your distributions. This is particularly helpful for retirees, as it can be complex to determine which portions of your income are taxable, especially if you have multiple sources of retirement income. TurboTax also offers a useful feature that checks for any errors or inconsistencies in your entries. It's a good idea to use this feature to review your information before finalizing your tax return. This can help identify any potential issues and save you from future headaches. After verifying your information, you're ready to move forward and complete the rest of your tax return. TurboTax will guide you through the remaining sections, including deductions and credits, which may be applicable to military retirees. Be sure to explore these areas as they can significantly affect your tax outcome. Finally, when you're ready to file, TurboTax offers several options for submission. You can choose to e-file, which is the fastest and most secure method. Or you can print and mail your tax return. E-filing is recommended as it speeds up the processing time and offers instant confirmation once your return is accepted. And there you have it. Filing taxes as a military retiree on TurboTax is straightforward when you follow these steps. Remember, taking the time to enter your information accurately is key to ensuring a smooth tax filing experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, TurboTax's support resources are readily available to help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process easier for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and best of luck with your tax filing.